Okay, well, we just got out of the car and we've got to do our thing. You gonna hook me up? No, not that. Hit the other button. Hit the other button. Hit the button. No. Hey, hit the button. Morgan. Hit the button. Shut the garage door. No, don't hit this. You hit the garage door button. Please. Please shut the garage door. Shut the garage door. Shut the garage door. Shut the garage door. We're gonna hit the button. Thank you. It's usually not that big of a challenge. For some reason, she sees the camera and goes nuts. What do you think? This is gonna be a struggle. We gotta make her some, just, I hope y'all can see me. What was that? Just. We gotta water it down. We don't want you getting out of control. I know. Is that your juice? Okay. Shaking. Dad needs his own juice. So after the juice, we have to go ahead. We have to go on out here and get settled. Oh no. She found her friend. The friend of all friends, the bunny. Is that your buddy?